guys, welcome back to Hobby Corner. I'm back with something very new. It's not cubes, it's not mat. Then what can it be? Yes, it's very different. It's drawing, something which we can draw. Now for this you can collect a black sheet of paper and a white color pencil. Take the right bottom of the paper, and now here we'll be drawing a woman. Start from this point, a very high one relatively. And now here we are drawing her hair. The hair is a bit irregular shape, so we can make it the way we would like. Let us give an end cut for the hair at this point and start drawing her face. This face has no features, that is, it's just like a shadow showing the shape but no features, and it shows the beauty of the woman who says a beautiful thought. So let us start from this point. Go straight bald ahead. To her nose. After giving a shape for her nose, a slight bend, drawing her lips. Then comes the chin. Now this end point should be connected with the one which we have left here. Now here this part is to be completed. The hair of the woman is taking a front curve like this and then goes back. Done. Our woman picture is completed, but it's bit difficult to understand that it's a woman picture. So let us detail it with some designs for the hair. Yes, we have detailed it dark. Now let us draw something in the hair which makes it very beautiful. This clumsy design is a design in Gentangle, a form of art which is actually used in filling up the drawing to emboss its structure. I've selected this design from Gentangle. It's just because the hair is always clumsy, so this design can resemble the hair. Now this remaining part is to be filled to make it look very pretty. Done. Our picture is completed. Now it looks like a beautiful, pretty woman. Let us give a beautiful thought. Yes, our picture is beautifully done. This slogan says, "You're infinite, be boundless to think big." Thanks for watching my video. For more pretty videos, you can please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for further new videos.